This is Dell Inspiron 16, model 7630. This is full model name. This one is 16-inch, 2-in-1, full HD touchscreen with i7-1360P, which is much better than 1355U, 16 gig of RAM, 1 TB SSD, integrated Iris Xe graphics, Windows 11 Home, SD card reader, HDMI, Thunderbolt, backlit keyboard, fingerprint reader, all the good stuff. Box looks like that, does not even say Dell. This is kind of weird seal here. Inside the box, here it says Dell. Charger here, 65-watt charger, Dell, USB-C. It looks similar to Dell XPS charger. Warranty, safety and stuff manual. Same kind of wick protection inside the box. 16-inch laptop. On this side we have HDMI, USB-A, Thunderbolt, and another Thunderbolt for charging. And on this side, full-size SD card reader, another USB-A and headphone input. It's not thick, it's on the thinner side, I would say. This is a 7000 series, so it's more of a competitor to something more luxurious like HP Envy, Lenovo Flex, or maybe rather Yoga. Let's see inside. Camera shutter. Here we have, it's all black, so it looks very nice. We can see it has some bezel. It's pretty thin. It's very thin, so I would say HP Envy and Lenovo Yoga. Here we have speakers. We do not have numeric buttons here because a lot of space is occupied by speakers. Buttons are nice on touch, but I wouldn't call them the most luxurious ones. They're good, but not on the very top level. Dell XPS definitely feels much better than this one. Very nice. The touchpad is really good. Really good touchpad. Full HD webcam. Webcam is good. HD plus 1920 by 1200, which means it's more square. Thunderbolt 4. Has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, precision touchpad. Touchpad is very nice. This material is nice. Feels very nice. Fingerprint reader here. This one should be the power button. We have Intel Evo. The top part is kind of cheap, to be honest with you. Hinges are nice. Wobbling test. This one is one of the best in it. Feels very strong. Build quality. Build quality is pretty good. I touch it, I press it everywhere. Nothing squeaks. Very good. This is the back. We have model, serial number there. I have these rubber things. It's kind of same material as on top. Only thing I see missing here is the numeric keyboard. Otherwise it has everything: backlit keyboard and fingerprint and SD card and Thunderbolts and relatively good build quality. Not the very best, but a very good one. And nice screen and nice bezel, and it's like black. It looks all like complete and nice. It's not cheap, but if you find it on sale, it can be pretty good. 1360P is a very good CPU. You won't need better than that for pretty much anything, for a few years at least. 16 gig of RAM is good. 8 gig of RAM is kind of low now, so 16 is a new standard. 16 is good, but more than 16 wouldn't do anything. And 1 terabyte SSD is also probably as good as it gets. I don't really see anywhere more than 1 terabyte. I would still probably go with the HP Envy at the same price, to be honest with you, or Lenovo Yoga 7 or something, rather than this one, because this one is priced kind of similar to those. Keep that in mind, but if it's on sale at a good price, I consider it a very good laptop.